So basically, it's just a pull down. My whole thing is pulling it from against the wall so they don't hit these sides and scrape up the sides of your paint. Lift it up, it goes like that. It goes up and down pretty easy. Pull them out. It's made out of decent material. It's not real wood. But it looks like it could take some damage, withstand the elements. Okay, so originally the price for 11 blinds, I have 11 windows downstairs. The original price was $3,635, but there was 25% off special. So I actually got it for $3,026 for 11 windows downstairs. So I made my payment, and about a month and a half later, the install guy made it here with the custom blinds. We got it installed in just a few hours.